What is up? Welcome back to another, I don't know what this channel is going to be called now that I don't ride a CB, but we are back. As you can see, the KO Lightning exhaust has been installed on the MT-07. It didn't go too bad. Like, there was a few little quirky things that we found about the bike on the way, along the way doing it. We'll get into that shortly. So let's do a cold start with this. It's like a straight exhaust, so it's kind of loud. So here we go. There is a bracket that holds the pipe on, and we didn't discover it until afterwards. Full disclosure, I actually did make a video. It was a very short video, but it was a video nonetheless after the pipe was installed, but the GoPro setting that I used had the shutter speed too high or too low or too whatever it is that overexposes the image. So I had to kind of scrap that. But as you can hear, it is very different sounding to the stock exhaust. It sounds real cool, real aggressive. I think it's annoying. I've had a few people stop and stare at me like, what the fucking hell is that thing? Why is it so loud? And it pops and crackles, as you would have just heard. It was not popping and crackling anywhere near this much when I took it out before. When we were doing the exhaust, we stumbled across a lot of really quirky things with the bike that are really quite annoying. The studs that come out of the block and you attach the exhaust with were really rusted. One of the nuts was missing on it. So it would have been just creating a constant exhaust leak. One of the bolts that holds basically where the cat for the exhaust is was missing. The one that was there was loose. There's just so much rust with the bike. So if I plan on fixing a lot of it, I feel it's going to take a lot of work. Whatever. I'll fix the things I can fix. The exhaust for the most part went pretty well. The exhaust springs are a bit finicky, but that happens with like all exhaust springs when they're first being used. It's nothing new. There was no instructions, but it's kind of straightforward. I feel like when you get the higher end exhausts, when they include like mounting plates and all that sort of stuff, like a lot of different things, it's like when you kind of need more instructions. This was fucking idiot. And this is why I hate Sydney traffic, being on a bike. Even with a loud exhaust, that shit still happens. Yeah, it was pretty easy for the most part to do. It's not the greatest of quality exhausts, but it's cheap as, so you can't really complain. I mean, you can, I suppose. You can, but I'm not gonna. And it looks nice. Not a bad looking exhaust, like the tip and everything like that. Looks cool. So this time around, I'm just running. I need to do a couple little things. This time you can actually listen to the sounds of the bike. So I'm just running up. I'm just going to the shops near my house. So you can just listen to the bike. I won't talk too much unless I think of something. Enjoy. So slow, it's not school zones. What's there's a cop up here? So there's sometimes like RBTs up here. happening here? Looks like they've closed off a bunch of the entrances to the shops. Usually like to pull the clutch in around a roundabout, but I did that time. Alright, we're here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more MT-07 motovlogs and updates.